The benches are meant to be physical symbols to represent that not only are these people not alone in their struggles, but it is a real problem that we need to start addressing. When I picture someone sitting at a bench, it's somebody that's at a park. Maybe they're lonely, maybe they're just trying to sit just to have a place to have some time to themselves.
Nobody should have to struggle and not talk about it. We need to talk about it, and our benches will bring the conversation to everybody.